Now these are malva flowers and leaves from the malva plant when it's right now blooming over there. So I just harvested it. Filled up jar with some leaves and flowers. I might add a few more. I made sure that they are clean, that there is no orangey rusty color on them, which would be a sign that they are not good, but these are good. And I'm using 80 proof alcohol. Now this is gonna be medicine, very good medicine for respiratory, upper respiratory ailments, very good expectorant when you have dry cough and you can't stop coughing. Okay, I don't have more alcohol with me, so I will finish this bottle, or I will finish this jar later on when I get home. Now I will let it sit in the sunny place for the period of roughly 3 weeks, and then I will move it to the cooler place where it will be sitting for few months. Of course, keep shaking every day if you can, if you don't forget. My fingers are filthy because I was just weeding now, gardening. Now, very good medicine for your respiratory, but also for stomach, when you have sore stomach, for your liver, for inner organs. I will be adding it in respiratory tincture. So that's malva. Very good medicine. As I said, for sore stomach, for digestive troubles. It's good to support your respiratory part as well.